It is enjoyable to simply watch and listen as these Canada geese splash around in the shallows of the stream on this beautiful day. However, we can also take time to focus on and appreciate specific behaviors that the geese cycle through to keep their feathers in peak condition. One such behavior is preening, which is when they use their beaks to reach an oil gland near the base of their tail and then spread that waterproofing oil across their feathers. A second behavior is dipping underwater and splashing in the water, which helps to wash away dirt and parasites. As we watch, we will repeatedly see what looks like a goose awkwardly tumbling sideways in the water. However, it does not mean they have lost control. Rather, because goose feathers trap a huge cushion of air, they are very buoyant. When they push their body underwater, it is like forcing a beach ball underwater. Therefore, when they quit pushing, buoyancy pops them back up and rolls them sideways. Also, sometimes the geese deliberately perform barrel rolls to throw water over the hard-to-reach feathers on their back and under their wings. A third behavior, which we just saw, is that the geese will rise up for a sudden, dramatic wing flap. This burst of energy shakes off heavy excess water and snaps their large wing feathers back into alignment. A Canada goose has over 20,000 feathers that need to be individually aligned, cleaned, and oiled. Thus, they spend about 25% of their waking hours in the body care behaviors we saw today.